Alright, so these were the three main movements in this song I could find. So I just was going to show you these, and then you could just listen through the song and apply these, and you should be able to make it through the whole song, be able to sing it and play it. So before we get started, please hit the like and subscribe button so I can keep making these videos for you all. And so I've got a capo on 4th fret, and we're going to start with just the very intro. If you want, you could kind of just do like a build on an A minor shape. So index finger, 1st fret of B, middle finger, 2nd fret of D, ring finger, 2nd fret of G. I don't know. I was just kind of like, you could almost do like just sort of a atmospheric, just do some like arpeggiation, or just strum a few times like that. And then that'll kind of, you'll hear that pause, and then he goes right into the verse. So what's going on? We're playing an F major 7. So index finger again on 1st fret of B, middle finger 2nd fret of G, ring finger 3rd fret of A, pinky 3rd fret of D. And if the high E ring's open, that's okay. So what we're going to do is strum down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. So there's a lot of up strums happening. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. One more time, a little slower. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. Now right here, we're going to go to E minor. Down, 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 up, down, up. Okay, so index finger, 2nd fret of A, middle finger 2nd fret of D. Down, 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 up, down, up. And then we're going to go to A minor again. Now notice your middle finger is already where it needs to be to go back to that A minor shape. So middle finger was 2nd fret of D, ring finger 2nd fret of G, index finger goes back to 1st fret of B. Down, 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 up, down, up. So we went down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. So all that. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. All right, so that very last time, when you're going through the verse, you're going to hear another pause before the chorus. So down, 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 up, down, up, down, and then a quick mute. So when you do that, it's an E7 shape. So index finger, 1st fret of G, middle finger, 2nd fret of A. And then you just karate chop right after, just side of your hand on the strings to mute it. All right. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, and then the mute. Then we get into the chorus. So for the chorus, I was going. So we're following that same strum pattern with all the up strums. So we're starting on the F major 7, same chord as we were doing in the verse. And we're going to go down, 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 up, down, up. Or sorry, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. So we're splitting that strum pattern between two chords. We're going from F major 7 to G. For G, I'm just setting middle finger 3rd fret of low E, ring finger 3rd fret of B, pinky 3rd fret of high E. And you can set your index finger on the 2nd fret of the A if you want. That might make it easier to get over to the next chord after this. So we're going to go down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. All right. Then we're going to go to E minor, down, 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 up, down, up. So moving from E minor to A minor. Down, 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 up, down, up. So all that. So right at the end of that, I think you could do a pause on that A minor shape, and then maybe just do a couple of those, and that kind of puts you out into the post-chorus, which is, I believe, the same chords as the chorus. So. Put you into those chords again. Then you're going to hear a sort of a bridge. So you're going to do a B flat shape, index finger first fret of A, and then your ring finger needs to bar across the third fret of the D, the G, and the B. And I was doing like a So we're starting on that B flat. Again, index finger first fret of A, ring finger bars across third fret of D, G, and B. Down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Then we're doing a walk down chord. So open A and with an F shape. Index finger first fret of B, middle finger second fret of G, ring finger third fret of D. Down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Then to G. Down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Then to F major 7. Down, up, down, up, down, 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 up. Then to E7. All right, and I think I like to just do one strum there. So all that again. Oh, sorry. So I hope this was helpful for you. Hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.